Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have recently installed iOS 27 beta on your iPhone and you're seeing a message in setting that says indexing in progress, don't worry, your iPhone is most likely working exactly as it should. A lot of users see this notification and think something went wrong with the update or that their iPhone is stuck, but that's usually not the case. After installing a major iOS update, your iPhone starts a background process called indexing. During this process, iOS recognizes and scans information from your photos, messages, contacts, apps, and system data. This helps features like spotlighting search, Siri, and Apple Intelligence work faster and more accurately. So if you're seeing indexing in progress, it simply means your iPhone is still finishing that setup process in background. Now, how long does it take? For most users, indexing is completed within a few hours. However, if you have a lot of photos, messages, or apps, it can take a day or even a couple of days. To help speed things up, keep your iPhone connected to Wi-Fi, plug it into a charger, and avoid using low power mode whenever possible. And if the message is still there after several days, try restarting your iPhone and make sure you have enough free storage available. So that's what indexing in progress means on iOS 27 beta. It's completely normal and should disappear automatically once the process is finished. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.